Yo, what's up traders? Today I want to talk about some trades that took last week, which I'm pretty happy about. They're pretty interesting, so I think there's some value to give here. If you like this sort of content, leaving a like, sub, and comments very much appreciated. Let me know what you guys want to see in next videos. And I also have a Discord where you can talk to like-minded people. And we can have conversations about trading, which we all, I think, like. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into the chart. So it's USDJPY. We're at the daily time frame right now. As you can see, there's been a huge bullish move, but the last two candles aren't super bullish. In my opinion, they're already sort of showing signs of slowing down. We're above an area of interest, and it's on the Monday candle will now basically load. So I wasn't really interested in anything at this point. The overall structure is bearish, as you can see, massive bearish move. So we're basically making a retracement to potentially make a new lower high, right? That's my overall sort of bias. So then let's load up the Monday. The Monday was a massive bearish move. So from this point onwards, I'm happy because it aligns with my overall bias of bearish. Um, so at this point, after the Monday, I'm looking for shorts, right? So then we go for Tuesday. And where am I looking for shorts? I'm looking for shorts on the area of interest, as you can see here. Not very many clean touches in this necessarily, this small space. We have one nice one here. But if you go back, we see some really nice clean touches on this area. So yeah, it's a well-respected area. As you can see, it has acted as support and as resistance in the past. So all I was looking for was basically sort of a nice little retest of it to potentially go further down. So then let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So what I did was I placed an alarm right as you can see here. Well, you can't see it now because I'm in replay, but I placed literally alarm right here. So we saw the momentum already slowing down on the 4-hour time frame as well. So let's see what ended up happening. It had a nice little rejection from the area. However, as I will show you a little bit later on in the video, I had my alarm here. I still have my alarm here, and it didn't get ticked. Like literally my alarm was a little bit above it, like 1 pip probably, maybe even less, like 0.1 pip or like 1 micro pip, whatever. A lot of pips, but yeah, I didn't get the alarm signal sadly, so I missed this trade. But as you can see, it had like a lovely little reaction. So after this, I was still interested in short, right? It did push under the structure, the new structure, so it did like already pushed below the low of the previous day. So after this, I was just simply looking for, again, a nice little retracement to potentially this little structure. So I was looking for shorts. So I didn't draw this up, but yeah, it could be around here. I would be very keen in shorts, right? So what day? It was still Tuesday. So Tuesday we reached this sort of area. And then what happened? We had a nice little doji candlestick, which is my favorite candlestick. So I entered the trade and it instantly went into my direction. We're on the 1-hour time frame now, by the way. So yeah, very nice clean trade. It was for 760 micro pips. This original move would have hit as well for 1500 micro pips, or 150 regular pips. But yeah, sadly I missed this one, but I did find a little nice re-entry on the overall trend. So then I wasn't done because I was like, okay, wait, there might be more in the tank because it went so fast, right? So at this point, is this Tuesday still? Still Tuesday. So at this point, I was, again, we're under a new area, pretty strong area, as you could see, a lot of rejection, like as support, resistance, resistance, support, like very clean area. And even on a bigger time frame, you can go back and find more touches. So yeah, I was interested in pretty much the same thing as what happened with this one, basically. And exactly as I was looking for like a doji, I was looking for a doji basically on again, preferably it's my favorite candle. So I entered after this. I waited for the next candle to go under my doji. So my doji basically closed here, right? Like this is the closure of my doji. So then I was waiting for price to go under, and it happened here. So I think I entered right at that point as soon as it sort of um, yeah, broke under, right? So then my doji was sort of validated in a way, and yeah, I entered. So here I'm in a short. It's has a nice little doji again. I have a doji indicator built, by the way, so those are the blue things. And yeah, we had another really nice trade for another 1500 pips. So, or 1500 micro pips. As you can see, the daily, it just looks very clean on the Monday and the Tuesday. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to share these trades. I also was in Euro USD. I basically got stopped out by 1 pip, but otherwise I had a nice little trade as well. Just basically same thing, breaking above an area of interest, retesting it, and I entered. But yeah, my stop loss was apparently a little bit too tight. It wasn't the cleanest entry. But yeah, you win some, you lose some. But overall, very profitable this week. So yeah, I hope you like this content. I haven't made a video in a little bit. To be honest, I've been a little bit tired with the baby and stuff. My trading hasn't been the cleanest, but it's getting up there again, slowly getting used to this new sort of lifestyle. But yeah, if you like this sort of content, supporting the channel is very, very much appreciated. Keeps me motivated to make videos. I just did a 2-hour call with one of the guys in the Discord, a new guy. Very nice to meet him. And yeah, I like to do some more of these sort of sessions. So if you want to have like sort of a free coaching session, let me know as well. But yeah, join the Discord, leaving a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, very much appreciated. I can't say that enough. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all had a lovely trading week, and we'll have a lovely trading week ahead of you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you.